Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sarah's Crochet. Today we will see how to make a simple baby shoe. For this I am using crochet hook of size 2.5 mm. Round 1 we will make a magic circle. Work 2 chain. Now you have to work 14 double crochet around the magic circle. This 2 chain will not be included. Complete working 14 double crochet. Now we have completed working 14 double crochet. Close the circle space. Now above the first double crochet you have to join by slip stitch. Now we will move to round 2. Again you have to start with 2 chain. Now work double crochet in the same chain. You have to work 2 double crochet in each chain. Complete working 2 double crochet in each chain around the circle. Join the second round as usual above the first double crochet. Again start with 2 chain. Now we have to work 1 double crochet in each chain. Repeat working 1 double crochet for all the chains. All rounds you have to join in similar way. Now let's move to round 4. You have to work 1 double crochet in the first space and you have to repeat working 1 double crochet in all the chain. You have to repeat the 4th row again for 5 and 6. Now I have completed working the 6th round. From round 3, 4, 5 and 6. In all 4 rounds you will have 28 double crochet excluding the first 2 chain. Now we will start working the 7th round. Here you have to work 1 double crochet in each chain. In this round you have to work 21 double crochet and you have to skip the last 7 chain. Now I have completed working 21 double crochet. You have to skip the last 7 chain. Now you have to work 2 chain, then turn your work. Again you have to work 21 double crochet. Continue working till this point. Then again you have to work 2 chain and you have to repeat backward. Then again you have to work 2 chain and you have to work forward. In this round you have to work 1 double crochet in the turning chain. Including this double crochet, you will have 21 double crochets. Now we have to work the next row. Repeat the same steps. Again work 21 double crochet. Now I have completed working the last row. You have to repeat the same steps from row 7. Here, this is the 7th row. You have to repeat 8, 9, 10 and 11. All rows you have to follow these same steps. Instead of working around the circle, you have to work like a rose. Now we will be working single crochet. Work 1 chain. In the first double crochet space, you have to work 2 single crochet, and in the next one again you have to work 2 single crochet, and in the next space you have to work 2 single crochet. Each chain space you have to work 2 single crochet. We came to the corner. Here we have to work 1 single crochet. In each chain you have to work 1 single crochet. Now we came to the other side. Here we have to work 2 single crochet in each space. Now we have to sew them. Leave a long tail, cut the yarn. Now we have to turn the work inside out. We will be going to sew the seams. Before you closing the space, you have to work zigzag stitch. Now pull the loop tight, pull the yarn tighter. Here you will get a curve shape instead of straight one. Now hide the rest of the yarn along with the stitches. Now again turn your work inside out. Now I will show you how to make a simple bow pattern. I'm using the same hook size. Start with a magic circle, work 3 chain, work 3 chain, join them to the center of the circle, make a slip stitch. Now again work 3 chain, work 3 double crochet on the other side, make a slip stitch to the center of the circle. Now you can use this to tie along with the shoe, or you can glue to the shoe. Now we have a simple bow pattern, and this is the final look. Hope you all like this video. Please do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell button to receive all my upcoming videos notifications. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. For more videos, you can check out my channel playlist. Thank you for watching.